Let's have an example. An individual taxpayer filed his 2018 income tax return with a computed tax due of 100,000 pesos on July 15, 2019. A total of 20,000 pesos creditable withholding taxes was deducted by various income payers from his gross income. What is the total amount to be paid by the taxpayer, including penalties? Since yung tanong, total amount to be paid by the taxpayer, including penalties, halo-halo na dito yung surcharge, interest, at compromise penalty. Pag sinabing creditable withholding taxes, ito ay tinatawag na tax credits at pwede mo tong ibawas dun sa tax na babayaran mo sa government. Now, let's compute the total amount to be paid by the taxpayer, including penalties. The tax due is 100,000 pesos. Yung tax credits, pwedeng ibawas yan. So, less tax credits na 20,000 pesos. Tax due less tax credits is net tax due. 100,000 pesos minus 20,000 pesos is equal to 80,000 pesos. And the 80,000 pesos is the net tax due. Now, i-add na natin yung mga penalties kasi nga late filing ito. Remember, si taxpayer is an individual. Nag-file siya noong July 15, 2019. Dapat nag-file siya noong April 15, 2019. Remember na ang ginagamit na accounting period ng individual taxpayer ay calendar accounting period. And the calendar accounting period ends on December 31. Kaya dapat nag-file si individual taxpayer noong April 15, 2019. Ngayon, di ba, nag-file siya noong July 15, 2019. So that means late filing of income tax return. So dahil late filing ito, may penalties na babayaran ang individual taxpayer. Unahin natin yung surcharge. 80,000 pesos times 25%. 80,000 times 25% is equal to 20,000 pesos. Wala namang sinabi na willful neglect. That's why 25% ang ating gagamitin. But in case willful neglect yan, ang gagamitin mo ay 50%. I-compute naman natin yung interest penalty. But before that, i-compute muna natin yung number of days. Count the number of days from April 15, 2019 to July 15, 2019. Sa April, meron tayong 15 days. Ito yung pagitan ng April 30, 2019 at April 15, 2019. So, 15 days. May, 31 days. June, 30. At sa July ay 15 days. Kasi, nag-file daw siya noong July 15, 2019. So, all in all, the number of days is 91. 2019 is not a leap year. So, our denominator is 365. 80,000 pesos times 12% times 91 over 365, that is equal to 2,393.42. 12% yung ginamit na percentage because it pertains to 2019. I-compute naman natin yung compromise penalty. To compute for the compromise penalty, let's refer to the schedule of compromise penalty related to income taxes. Yung 80,000 nasa pagitan ng 50,000 at 100,000 pesos. Therefore, the compromise penalty is 15,000 pesos. In computing the compromise penalty, always refer to the schedule of compromise penalty for late payment of income tax. Kung i-add natin yung net tax due, surcharge, interest penalty at compromise penalty, ang result ay total tax due. 80,000 pesos plus 20,000 plus 2,393.42 plus 15,000 pesos is equal to 117,393.42 pesos. Let's have another example. A taxpayer received a notice from the BIR to file his 2016 income tax return not later than January 15, 2018. The tax due per his return is 100,000 pesos. Required: first, what is the total surcharge penalty? Second, what is his total interest penalty? And third, compute the compromise penalty. Let's first answer requirement number 1. What is the total surcharge penalty? Para masagot nyo to, alamin nyo muna kung willful neglect ba or simple neglect. Since naka-receive ng notice from the BIR ang taxpayer bago yung actual filing, ang ibig sabihin nun, merong willful neglect. And the percentage for willful neglect is 50%. So here, there is a BIR prior notice. At para ma-compute yung surcharge penalty, imumultiply natin yung 100,000 pesos ng 50%. So the total surcharge penalty is 100,000 pesos times 50%. That is equal to 50,000 pesos. Next, what is his total interest penalty? Although hindi sinabi sa problem na individual si taxpayer, yung word na his, yan yung magsasabi na yung taxpayer is an individual. Ang deadline ng filing ng individual taxpayer ay April 15, 2017. Kasi 2016 income tax return. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yung 15th day of the 4th month following the close of the taxable year. So, ang deadline ay April 15, 2017. I-compute na natin yung interest penalty sa 2017. So, bibilangin natin yung number of days from April 15, 2017 to December 31, 2017. So, to compute the interest penalty for 2017, 100,000 pesos times 20% times 260 over 365, and that is equal to 14,246.58 pesos. As you can see, 20% yung ginamit nating percentage kasi nga it pertains to 2017. Saan nakuha yung 260? That is the total number of days from April 15, 2017 to December 31, 2017. Ang 2017, hindi siya leap year. That's why 365 ang ating denominator. I-compute naman natin yung interest penalty sa 2018. The total number of days from January 1, 2018 to January 15, 2018 is 15 days. So, ang magiging numerator natin ay 15. The interest penalty for 2018 is computed as 100,000 pesos times 12% times 15 over 365. And that amounts to 493.15 pesos. Ang ginamit nating percentage ay 12% kasi nga it pertains to 2018. Effective January 1, 2018, ang gagamitin na percentage ay 12%. Saan nakuha yung 15? Yan yung total number of days from January 1, 2018 to January 15, 2018. 365 yung ating denominator kasi nga ang 2018 ay hindi leap year. I-add lang natin yung interest penalty ng 2017 at interest penalty ng 2018. That will become our total interest penalty. And our total interest penalty is 14,739.73 pesos. Let's proceed to requirement number 3, compute the compromise penalty. Ito yung pinakamadali kasi titignan mo lang yung schedule of compromise penalty. As you can see, the tax due does not exceed 100,000 pesos. Hindi siya lumagpas sa 100,000 pesos. Therefore, the compromise penalty is 15,000 pesos. Take note that in computing the compromise penalty, always refer to the schedule of compromise penalty.